We are grateful for the decision of the grand jury to return an indictment against Officer Derek Wiley, or former Officer Derek Wiley. We believe that it was the correct decision, and it was, I believe, a more difficult decision to arrive to without the proper guidance from the district attorney's office by filing criminal charges in advance, as is standard protocol when a crime is conducted or there's evidence or probable cause of a crime conducted in the jurisdiction. We believe that while there were other charges that could have been added, and that if this was prosecuted properly, additional charges would be included in this indictment, because that's standard protocol for every possible charge where evidence exists to go forward. We do think the grand jury got it right in moving forward with an indictment for in this case was it aggravated assault by a public servant. We are still not positive that this office is capable of a zealous prosecution of a law enforcement officer, in light of the fact that this office has not taken the necessary steps from the beginning in this case to adamantly prosecute this officer. We heard the district attorney brag today that 3 officers have been indicted by a grand jury. 2 of those officers did not receive criminal charges. That means 2 of those officers were indicted by a grand jury without any advice from the prosecutor. One of those officers, Roy Oliver, did follow the proper protocol in that case. The DA did in that case decide that it was proper to file charges prior to the case going to the grand jury, so that the grand jury would be best guided in bringing forth those charges. And so while we look forward to this officer's prosecution, we encourage the district attorney to take a more zealous, a more intentional steps in seeking conviction.